Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Today's crash course, we're visiting the ibis Styles Sepang, which is conveniently located near KLIA. It's definitely an airport themed hotel and designed for you to make it your next stay before flying out of KLIA in the morning. Let's take a look around. This is definitely a hotel with a large, spacious lobby area. They have a little kids playing area over here. So if you're waiting to check in and need somewhere to throw the Rugrats, you've got that covered. Here's the flight departure boards, which is very nice to have in an airport based hotel. And you can see just plenty of space here if you are delayed checking in or checking out. Very spacious. They do offer a complimentary shuttle service to the airport. I used it. It worked quite well. And here you can see just more space there. Here is the room. This is a budget hotel, obviously. With that being said, they cover all the basics quite well. Here you can see they have the bed there, little couch off to this side. Plenty of room to walk around the room. A little table and chairs there if you want to eat dinner. This room has the open closet concept. It does include a safe. They have the laundry bag if you want to send your laundry out. Here's some slippers. This hotel does offer spa services as well as a restaurant. Here's a little closer look of the table and chairs. Your water system that actually is a filter slash heater. It'll warm up your water for your coffee in the morning. Mini fridge, plenty of space there to throw all your beverages. Nice space around the sink. Stepping into the bathroom, you can see we have the single shower head with the nozzle. And the basic toilet setup for Southeast Asia with the bum gun. Bathroom's a little bit on the smaller side. A little closer look there at the coffee tea setup. I did try the hot water maker. It worked. They are kind enough to bring me some fruit. I have been staying with the core as well, so that was nice to see them recognize status, even at a budget hotel. That's a good sign.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now, back to the review.
Here's a quick look at the gym. The gym is definitely minimal as far as the offerings, as far as machines and equipment, but at least it's not in a tiny space. They do give you enough room in here. I have seen much, much worse as I've traveled across Southeast Asia. And you do have a nice view out into the pool area. Plenty of towels there. Wipe off after your workout. Speaking of pool areas, I'd say this is an area where this hotel definitely shines. Two really large pools. Here's the main pool, and in the back there you can see what I would consider one of the world's largest kiddie pools I've ever seen. I mean, that is just absolutely crazy how large that small pool is in back. Plenty of seating around the pool. I will cut ahead and tell you I was unable to review the breakfast here at this hotel since I flew out at like 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. But I did get a chance to try their breakfast, and the Philly cheesesteak was just fine. Definitely a decent option if you're looking to stay at a budget hotel before flying out of KLIA.
Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.